guys, we're over here at R1 Industries. My buddy Riley, he has worked his butt off in building and establishing an amazing shop. If you guys are in South Salt Lake and you need your shocks rebuilt, I already tell people to come here. I'm telling you again, if you're in Salt Lake, you need your stuff done. These guys do MTS stuff, and they can valve it. They can do the whole 9 yards. So we're just gonna get into a little bit of a montage real quick for y'all.
This piston that's down in there.
Ah, gotcha.
Yeah, you need a bunch of special tools.
Yeah, that's why I don't do this. I prefer you guys do. So, how often do you think shocks should be rebuilt?
2,000 to 2,500 miles.
So you're telling me that my 4,500 miles, I was way overdue, probably.
Yeah, not a lot of nitrogen came out of them, so they probably lost nitrogen.
I would imagine so. It felt like it, especially my front right shock, like I was hitting stuff and like barely hitting anything. It was like boop, like you could feel it bottoming out. And then those springs are garbage from Polaris.
Oh yeah.
So is this controlling something? Is it like opening a solenoid? Okay, I got you. So you just plug it into the solenoid.
Yeah.
Interesting. Oh, that looks really pretty.
Yep. This is the factory fluid.
Oh, just by the color?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you can definitely. It's definitely factory. I know I haven't done nothing to it.
Out of those.
Okay.
And then, let's see here. On these, this is your seal head right here. You got this threads into the body.
Gotcha.
So you got to unthread that and then plug in your solenoid so it allows you to pull it out.
Gotcha.
And then this is the main thing that gets rebuilt because this has these two O-rings and then it's got about 4 seals inside here that go along the shaft.
Gotcha. Makes sense. Ah, and these washers, the size, the diameter, does that all change?
Yeah, those are your valves. So that's what changes your compression and rebound rates.
Ah, very cool.
So if you want it to ride better, that's what you change.
Gotcha.
So, but just rebuilding them and having the proper amount of nitrogen in them makes a world of difference.
Oh yeah.
They're usually charged too low from the factory.
What are they usually for the factory? Like 125?
Yeah, they're usually about 150.
What do y'all usually put
We
them at?
put
Like
them at 200.
200?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Like for your bigger trucks, like your Ford Raptors and stuff like that, those go to 250
Right.
because they're heavier.
Yeah, they are heavy. I guess that would make sense.
Flow.
Those are called flutes. And I take it you can change those too?
Shims, yeah. Like with the MTS kit, a lot of times they replace their kit gets rid of one, so you'll be running 2. So that makes fluid will flow easier through these ports.
Gotcha. That makes sense.
Yeah. Those are your internal bypass tubes.
Why do you think that they, from the factory, they do it like that? Is it just to keep things soft, or?
That would make it more stiff. I think with like the MTS kit, they want more like flow through through the valves.
Makes sense.
Yep.
Huh.
So I don't know how they engineer them from the factory or why they chose the settings.
Makes you
It's
wonder.
probably more of a general use.
Makes sense. It's hard because you're trying to. It's like a one size fits all. You know what I mean? I mean, it's great that it's live valve, so that gives you that extra little bit of whatever. But it's, I guess, when you build a shock, you kind of have to make it one size fits all. Tell me if I'm being annoying, guys. I'm sorry. I really like my subscribers. Like they really like to see like when people are working on stuff. So I like to.
So then
Share
now
with
you're
them.
to the sill head.
Ah.
So you can see how you got dirt around here. So that's how the dirt enters into your
Gotcha.
shock body, and that's what that wiper blade is to prevent that.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah.
So, okay. So those are rears.
Yes.
Okay.
He's got the front.
I got you. Now I'm understanding. I was actually kind of confused for a second. I didn't realize that those things were actually out of the main shock tube and not the reservoir side. Interesting.
They're all pretty much one piece.
This side of the shock, and that's how it dissipates. And so this valve opens and closes, which makes it harder for oil to come from here to here or vice versa.
So when you hit the O, the O poop button,
Yeah.
like what is it doing?
It closes this off.
Completely.
So it shuts this off, not completely, but almost all the way. And so it forces your shock to the shock shaft with the valves to actually work 100% instead of oil moving from this side into this side. So it really just basically condenses from this side of the shock and this side to just this side.
Nice.
So these seal heads, they have this ring on them, and that's what puts pressure on the snap ring inside of there.
Gotcha.
And so they're trying to move it down so it takes pressure off of the snap ring.
That makes sense.
And
Okay.
these get boogered up a lot just from the factory. Like,
Yeah.
they just suck to take apart. That's what they're doing. He's trying to get that ring down.
God, that sucker is on there. Like, that is on there.
That we like to go up to.
Gotcha.
It's about right down into here, but yeah, you don't want any air.
No air. Okay.
So if there's air in there, it'll expand and it'll take your seals out.
Oh, we don't want to expand that. We don't want no seals getting taken out. So what they're doing right now, guys, and what they explained, basically, you don't want any air in there. So he is attempting to get any air bubbles he can out of it. And if you look right there in that very top, you can actually see little tiny bubbles everywhere. Who would have thought air is bad for your shocks? You don't want air in there, guys. You do want nitrogen, but that's not mixed with that stuff. That goes in another part. Oh, I see. So that's...
Those little screws to bleed the air. Once you have fluid coming out of there, you're good.
Gotcha. That makes sense, though. That's freaking awesome, man. You can literally see it coming out of there. Interesting. What would y'all say the hardest part about rebuilding shocks is?
Seal heads. Yeah.
Seal heads?
So how we had to fight that one?
Right.
So this is a different style. These styles are a lot easier, but that one that Riley was showing you earlier, how it has that separate lock ring.
Oh, yeah.
Sometimes those things are just...
They just like seize.
They're just dirt and stuff get in there.
Uh-huh.
And they're not seized, but they're stuck together.
Yeah.
So those are the ones that get damaged the most.
Uh-huh.
But that's the worst part, is fighting the seal heads. If you didn't have to fight the seal heads and everything came out perfect, then it's
Right.
you can get pump these out quick.
That makes sense.
Yeah. It's the seal heads that kind of slow you down.
Yeah, there's always that one thing. It's like that one bolt. Compression side.
Yep, and that would be your rebound side.
Gotcha.
So that's as the shock is going up in the shock body, fluid gets pushed through the orifices, and depending on your shims, restricts or lets more fluid flow.
That makes sense.
Yep.
Interesting. Okay, guys, back in action. We're back at the shop. We've got Dalton, the master mechanic, the mad scientist. He's over here trying to get this tire on there because I've spent a lot of money. In case you guys are wondering, I've spent like a ridiculous amount of money, and anything I can save money on at this point would be nice. So I just want to build one wheel right now just to see what it looks like, because I chose some crazy colors. I mean, it matches the colors that are already there, but like, I just want to see what it looks like. And my powder coater, shout out to Rocky Mountain Powder Coating. He actually like did something cool and didn't even charge me extra. So you guys will see the finished result in a second.
It's just because of how soft these sidewalls are. It's just because of the stuff that we got on it. Okay. So,
Need a
Do you
pry
have-
bar.
you got electrical tape?
That's wild.
Try and get the damn thing going. There we go.
What you doing, Miles?
You
helping?
electrical tape? Oh, never mind. I think I have my back on. It's starting to.
What are you
Hold on,
doing?
cover it so it doesn't mess up this.
What are you
Mess
doing?
up my
Happy?
brain.
Oh, careful. Oh,
I'm running.
goodness.
How are you, baby Miles?
He's so cute. I love this kid. He's like this, like he's always so like, I don't know how to explain it. Like if you're having a bad day and you look at him, there's no reason to have a bad day anymore. Oh no, he's about to break his nose.
Oh, Jude.
Go
Back
over
up.
here. Because if you fall,
No, don't slam your face in the ground.
Tire?
This is where he needs that little like backpack thing when he's on the concrete.
Right.
Sir.
Always
Stay
crawling.
on.
You're crawling. Look at you go.
Good job, Miles. Oh no, not on the concrete.
I told my parts runner. I just call him, hey, will you go get me this? Yeah, that's fine.
and he does.
Yeah, he goes gets in, and they just put in my parts bill.
Oh. I'm back in my natural position, guys, which is sitting here. It's crazy. I'll sit there and work on other people's cars, but then I like get to mine and I'm just so wore out and I don't even have a care in the world, so I don't work on it. I just pay Dalton a few dollars and he fixes it. Man, that wheel turned out fire, guys. Did I even show them yet? I don't think I showed them.
I think you only showed it when we started it.
Oh, I'm using my phone to record right now. Bam! What do you think, guys? I opted for the gold bolts. Might change them up. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm also colorblind, so you guys are like, why do you do all these crazy colors? I can't even see half of them anyways. I see colors. I just don't, yeah, I don't see them the same way y'all do. And I just like blue and orange for some reason. I mean, if you think about it, like everything I have is blue and orange. I have a blue and orange RS1 that eventually one day will either sell or I'll drive it one day. Yeah, it might just, no, it's not going to die there. I love that car. If you go back to like a year and a half ago, you'll understand my frustrations with that car. Got the shocks back. Looking good. How do you like this, guys? Is this too much orange? Doesn't matter because I don't care. I'm just joking. Having a car and kind of just,
All your life savings.
yeah, spending my wife's life savings and everything else. It's like, you got to personalize this car. And it was a blue and orange car anyways from the factory for the Troy Lee edition. I just wanted to make it the way I would have made it if I were Troy Lee. That's what I'm doing to this car. This is the Troy Lee 2.0. And I just want it to look cool. There's going to be so many things happening. This video is going to jump all over the place, guys. I'm so sorry for that. Me and Dalton are in crunch time because he's coming with us. I'm trying to get Sure back up and going, at least for a weekend.
If we have to, we'll load it in the back of my trailer and we'll take it down there and I'll fix it there.
That's right.
So we can figure out what's going on with it too.
That's right.
So we can make sure she's
Yeah.
okay to go.
That's right. I'm gonna go eat. I'm gonna go eat some fajitas. I'm gonna upload all this stuff I've done so far and start editing it, and then that way I can have. I got a video dropping Wednesday, which y'all would have already saw. I skipped a couple days just of videos just because I'm just so overwhelmed. And then this video is dropping on Sunday. So while we're at Easter, finishing up our Easter weekend in Little Sahara, you'll already have a video to watch. And the even cooler part about that is that I am going to have a ton of fun Easter weekend footage. They say it's supposed to snow on Thursday and Friday, but I guess it snows every Easter, I swear, or either rains or something. And if you've ever been to Little Sahara, Utah, you know that clay, I don't know what it is. I don't know what that stuff is.
It's clay.
Yeah, it's like it just turns into concrete. So like you'll walk around and on the bottom of your sandal it'll be like this thick of concrete. But anyways, all right, I'll see you guys in a little while. Dalton, why do you have a welder right now? Why are you?
Because somebody decided to break some manifold bolts.
Yeah, we're finally getting it put on. Or I say we're getting it put on. We're removing two head studs or exhaust manifold studs that got placed in there, and I ugga dugged a little too hard. I've been known to do that. So Dalton already got one out. I'm over here putting these wheels together, which is quite the fun treat, but they look sick, guys. I think they look sick. And yeah, so it's been a crazy day. I found somebody to go and weld my exhaust manifold that had the cracks all over it. Apparently there were even more cracks, so I've got it down the street. They're fixing it for me. I'm going to pick it up tomorrow morning and then Yeah, so crunch time, guys. Trying my hardest to get out of here for Little Sahara. We'll update you a little bit. So what are you doing now, Dalton?
Clean the head so we can put the header back on.
Nice, nice.
We can make boost.
Boost is good.
More power.
More power. So I got a haircut. You notice that? I've got the exhaust manifold back. They fixed it. I don't even know where it's at. I'm going like a madman right now. Yes, so got the exhaust manifold back. Dalton got the broke bolts out except for one, which I'm probably just gonna pull the head off and take it to a machine shop. It's not working. We got Baby Miles on deck. He actually built this entire wheel. That's pretty cool of him. So good job, buddy.
Good job, Mom.
I'm so proud of you. You did a good job. We went out to dinner with a friend of ours who's in town from, well, he's kind of a full-time RVer, so he travels all over the country, but went out to dinner with him. Now we're back at it. Dalton's been grinding away. I can't tell you how much I appreciate him helping us out a ton, and he always has helped me out a ton. So I'm going to keep torquing these wheels down. I'm just giving you guys updates, and yeah, there's a lot going on. What's up, guys? Okay, so it's literally actually Sunday, and I was going this morning to try to upload some footage. I just ran out of time to drop this video for Sunday, so I'm going to drop it Monday morning when you're watching this. Anyways, we just got back from Easter. Let me tell you guys, the improvement on the car I don't even know how to describe it. It's better than when it was new. If you're considering getting your suspension revalved, tuned, or rebuilt, I am partnering up with R1 Industries. You can go directly through me, and I can get you set up with everything to have your shocks rebuilt. So if you're in Utah especially, just go in there, mention Offroad Diaries, tell them that Offroad Diaries sent you, and you'll get a little bit of a deal, a little bit cheaper than it would cost you normally. And yeah, so I had a blast this weekend with all my friends. I'm so excited to edit this video. I'm actually about to start editing the first couple days of our Easter, and the weather was absolute crap. It was terrible on Thursday and Friday. It freaking snowed, which is normal, typical Easter weather for Little Sahara. But we did have a beautiful Saturday and Sunday, so we had a blast. It was my birthday weekend. We did so much. There's so much good action in these next couple videos y'all see, but just an update, totally worth it. I tried to do a drone shot to do just a little B-roll of what the car looks like now, and unfortunately I ran into a dirt bike. I had it so low that a dirt bike came through and this flag knocked it out of the sky, but I'll at least throw that in there really quick. She looks great. Everybody complimented her. To all the people I saw at Little Sahara this weekend, Kristen and I had a blast meeting new people, and yeah, so we appreciate you guys watching us, all the love that y'all have shown us, and we cannot wait to drop these Easter videos. So you guys have an awesome day or night, and we will see you on Wednesday. So that's been three videos this week, hopefully. Monday, Wednesday, and Sunday. So we're going to give you like a triple hitter this week. Anyways, you guys have an awesome night. See you.